Feeling overwhelmed in a world of information overload? In The Organized Mind, neuroscientist Daniel Levitin reveals how high achievers manage chaos, make smart decisions, and stay focused by understanding how the brain actually works. Let's organize your mind like a pro. Core concept. 1. Your brain wasn't built for multitasking. Switching between tasks drains mental energy. Multitasking equals productivity killer. Solution: batch similar tasks and create blocks of uninterrupted focus. 2. Outsource your memory. Your brain can only hold about 4 things at once in working memory. Use external systems, to-do list, calendars, labeled folders. The more organized your environment, the less stress on your brain. 3. Categorization is power. Experts think in categories. Sort things into groups that make sense to you, not just alphabetically or by date. Your brain loves meaningful order, not clutter. 4. Decision fatigue is real. The more choices you make in a day, the worse your decisions get. That's why successful people like Obama wore the same suits, fewer decisions. Create routines for small things so your mind has energy for big decisions. 5. Information overload is the new stress. We're bombarded with data. Organize your digital life and subscribe from junk. Check emails only at set times. And filter what deserves your attention. Your brain craves order, not chaos. The secret isn't working harder, it's thinking smarter. Organize your mind, reduce decision fatigue, and watch your productivity soar. Subscribe to MindMuse for more brain smart book insights.